Sure, le abafowethu nabodade bethu, please brothers and sisters, bomama nabobaba, abantwana basekhaya, everyone. Uyabona, no matter ukuthi uflophe kangakanani empilweni noma wenza ama-mistake kangakanani or wenze into ebuhlungu enkulu blind, it doesn't matter ukuthi uyenze ugqoke i-uniform yesonto or uyenze ngaphakathi kwesonto or uyenze phezu kwepulpit nomfundisi or nobani or noma mfundisi, never ever think of ukuthatha impilo yakho or commit suicide in life. Please never ever do that. Sithi nabanye please ningayenze kwenziwe usisi naye thola ukuthi nangu sikaba ne-pressure social media of which yonke into yenzeke ku-social media. If it's like that ukuthi uzikhilile or uzibulele otepolayile, please we sorry for her, sorry kanjalo, but don't do that. Please, it doesn't matter ukuthi u-exposed kangakanani or utrende how bad